Web3 developer.
Over the past year, I've been trying to create this bot, but none of my attempts worked because the smart contracts I created didn't give the desired results and just
smart contracts I made just ended
then
up
I
burning
turned to
through my money
artificial
instead of
intelligence
bringing
for help,
any cash.
and things changed
So I
radically.
turned to artificial
Chat
intelligence for
GPT
help,
technology now
and
helps me
things changed
simplify
radically.
our crypto
Thanks
projects
to
with
Chat
the
GPT
main goal of
technology,
generating
now
passive
I'm
income.
making our crypto
Before we
hustle
get
way
into the
easier,
details,
all with the
remember
goal
that the
of
crypto
making that
world
sweet
is full of
passive income.
scammers. So
But
be
hold
careful
up,
to
before we
protect
get
yourself
into
and
the
your money.
nitty-gritty, let me
Avoid
drop a
sending
quick
money to
reminder.
unknown wallets
The crypto
or
world
dealing
is
with
crawling with
unfamiliar
scammers, so you gotta be
exchanges.
extra careful with your funds. Don't go sending money to unfamiliar wallets or interacting with unknown exchanges. All right. So now, without further ado, let's embark on this journey.
So the basis of the bot is the concept of arbitrage, and sandwich transactions. Notably, it leverages popular decentralized platforms like Uniswap and other DEXs. Now, put simply, the bot operates on the principle of sandwich transactions. It analyzes the mempool, essentially awaiting room for transactions that have been initiated but not yet processed. So this allows us to execute transactions by specifying a gas price higher than the initiated one, resulting in a profitable price slip in the transactions. If this concept seems intricate, rest assured it's straightforward. Now I've been using this bot for a few weeks now, and it's important to clarify that no coding experience is required whatsoever. Chat GPT has made the aspect hassle-free, so let's dive into the details and get started. So we'll begin by ensuring that you have the MetaMask extension installed. You can use any wallet of your choice. The main thing is that it is installed in your browser. It may be Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet, etc. All steps are exactly the same, but with different wallet interface. So open bot source code from the video description and copy it to the clipboard.
All steps are exactly the same.
Next, you should visit the Remix Ethereum website. All links are available in the description. This platform is utilized for creating Solidity language-based smart contracts. Avoid scam remix URLs. Use only original Remix ID website remix.ethereum.org. It will not let you to proceed suspicious transactions.
Use only original Remix ID.
So we'll create a new file and name it according to your preference. For example, let's call it bot. Paste the open source bot code from the video description. Carefully read pasted code alert. Press OK and feel free to verify for yourself. Initial steps include scrolling up to read the quick user guide. Now, it's important to know that for the bot to function optimally, it requires a minimum deposit of 0.5 of Ethereum or more. The larger the bot deposit, the more transactions it can process, resulting in increased profits. Confirm that your wallet contains more than 0.5 Ethereum and is connected to the Ethereum mainnet chain. Then move the Solidity compiler tab to compile the bot, enable optimization to reduce gas usage, and then click on compile bot.sol, proceed to the deploy and run transaction section, and within the environment tab, opt for inject provided MetaMask or your wallet, confirm the wallet connection upon successful link, and proceed to click on deploy. Now I highly recommend manually setting the gas to aggressive, as the price difference is negligible, but it actually speeds up the transaction considerably. Alright, so now we await the deployment of our bot. Check the terminal for deployed message.
The price difference is negligible,
and here it is. Click on it and then copy the transaction hash. Next, we'll verify on other scan to confirm that your bot has been successfully deployed. When that transaction status displayed as successful, it indicates that the bot is deployed. Now click on the created bot contract within this video, and you can access comprehensive information about your bot, including the trading balance. Alright. So now I'm going to return to Remix, and now you can explore the main menu of the bot. Allow me to provide a brief overview of the functions of each bot.
So now I'm going to
trade balance of Ethereum, sets the bot trade deposit in Ethereum coins.
Allow me
set
to
trade balance percent, sets the bot trade deposit as a percentage of the deposit of your wallet.
Sets the
Start native, starts the bot. Stop stops the
Set
work of the
trade
bot.
balance percent.
Withdraw your profit from your bot contract to your
deposit
wallet.
on your wallet.
Key,
Start
that's your
starts the
personal
bot.
API
Stop
key for
stops the
working
work
with
of
the
the
bot.
bot.
And
Withdraw
please
with
don't
your
give
profit
it to
from your
anyone.
bot contracts to your wallet.
So now I'm going to select the key button and copy the provided key. I'm gonna scroll upwards, paste it into the value tab, and then I'm gonna specify the deposit size for the bot.
Then I'm gonna,
for example, I'll set it to 1
paste it into the value tab.
Finally,
and then I'm
I'll
just gonna
click Start
specify
Native.
the deposit size
So
for
observing
the
the
bot.
situation, the
For
bot
example, I'll
thoroughly
set it to
analyzes
1
our
Ethereum.
entire wallet.
And finally,
So
I will
ensure
click
that you're
Start
connected to the
Native.
Ethereum
So
mainnet
the
and
situation,
confirm.
the bot
Then you're going to
analyzes
other
our
scan
entire
and patiently
wallet.
wait for the
So
transaction to
ensure
be
that you're
confirmed.
connected to the Ethereum mainnet and confirm. Then
And
you're gonna
it's
want to
confirmed.
other scan.
Now
and
it's
patiently
evident
wait
that the
for
bot
the
has
transaction
received
to be
precisely
confirmed.
1 Ethereum for
Now
trading,
it's evident
while
that
the
the bot
remaining
has
amount is
received
retained in
precisely
my wallet.
1 Ethereum for
Now
trading,
let's patiently
while
await
the
the
remaining
outcomes
amount
after
is
12
retained
and
in my
24
wallet.
hours to assess
Now
the generated
let's patiently
profit.
await the outcomes after 12
So after
and
12 hours,
to
let's
assess
review the results
generated
refreshing
profit.
the page.
Alright,
I've
so
earned
after 12 hours,
0.48
let's review the
Ethereum
results,
passively,
refreshing the
and that's
page.
equivalent to
I've
around
earned
$1,800 at the
Ethereum
current
passively, and
exchange
that's
rate.
equivalent to around
That's quite an impressive
$1,800 at the
outcome, I would
current
say.
exchange rate. That's
Now
quite
wait
an
another
impressive
12 hours
outcome, I
and
would
upon
say.
reaching the 24-hour
Now we
mark,
wait
let's
another
assess the
12
bot's
hours
performance.
and upon reaching
Refresh
the
the page
24 hours mark, let's
and
assess the
you'll
bot
notice that
performance.
I've earned nearly
Refresh the
1.2
page and you'll
Ethereum
notice
this
that I've
period.
earned
So
nearly
that's approximately
1.2 Ethereum this
$4,700 in
period.
the current
So
exchange
that's
rate.
approximately
This result
$4,700
is
in the
highly
current
satisfactory,
exchange
especially
rate.
considering the
This
earnings
result is
are
really
entirely
exciting,
passive.
especially
So
considering
returning to
the
Remix,
earnings
let's
are
proceed to
entirely
withdraw the
passive.
funds back to
So
the wallet.
returning to Remix, let's proceed
So
to
begin
withdraw
by press
the
and
funds
stop,
back to the wallet.
adjust the gas to
Begin by
aggressive
pressing
like we
stop,
did,
adjust
and
the gas to
confirm that
aggressive like we
transaction.
did,
Now
and
wait
confirm the
until it's
transaction.
displayed in the terminal
Now let's
and
wait until it's
subsequently
displayed
press the
in the
withdraw
terminal
button.
and subsequently
Change the
press
gas
the
to
withdraw
aggressive
button.
again
Change the
and
gas to
confirm the
aggressive
transaction.
again and confirm
Then
the
wait
transaction.
for it to appear
Then
in the
wait
terminal.
for it to appear in
So
the terminal.
let's wait.
And as you can see, I
And
successfully
here we have
withdrew
confirmation.
funds from the
And
smart
let's check my
contract
wallet.
bot back to
Awesome!
wallet.
My Ethereum is at my wallet.
So now you can
and as you
verify
can see,
on
I
other
successfully
scan and
withdrew
check
funds
your bot
from the
contract.
smart contract bot back to my
Currently,
wallet.
the bot has
Alright,
zero
now
Ethereum
my
balance,
bot is totally
so
free
don't
to show
forget
you
to
how
refresh the page
perfect
for
it works
updated
and
information.
how much money you can
For
make.
now, my
However,
bot is
after
totally
1 month,
free
I'm closing
to
the
show
free version
you
of bot
how perfect
because
it
API
works
key will
and
not
how
be
much
actual,
money you
so
can
your
make.
bot will not be able
But
to deploy the
after
contract.
1 month,
And
I'm
next, it will
uploading
cost
free version of bot.
$2,500 per week.
API key will not
Until
be
it happens,
actual,
everyone
so your bot
is
will not
welcome
be
to
able
try
to
it
deploy the
and to
contract.
make some
And
really
next,
good money.
it will cost $2,500 per week.
Alright, so
Until
if
it
you have
happens,
errors
everyone is
after your
welcome
contract
to try
deployed,
it and
now we'll
to
show you
make
how to fix
really
it.
good
So the
money.
most popular problem is when
Alright,
Remix
so
can
if you have
calculate
some
the
errors
transaction
after
fee.
your contract
This is
deploy,
due to the
now
fact
we'll
that
show you
after
how
the
to
deploy you
fix
wait
it.
more than
So
10
the most
minutes
popular
and
problem
Remix
is
just
when
loses
Remix
connection
can
with the bot
calculate the
code.
transaction fee.
So to fix
It
this,
can happen
we need
because
to
you wait
reconnect
more
to the
than 10
contract
minutes
or
after the
create a
deploy,
new one.
and Remix
We
just
should do
loses
everything
connection with the
faster
bot
in
code.
order to
So
reconnect
to
to the
fix
contract.
this, we need to reconnect
First
to
one,
the
update
contract
the
or
page,
create
click
a
on
new
the
one.
bot file,
We
in my
should do
case bot
everything
sol,
faster
and
in
go
order
to the
to
Solidity
reconnect to the
compiler
contract.
tab. Enable
First one,
optimization
update
and
the
click
page,
compile.
click on the bot
Go to the
file
deploy
in the
and
case
run
bot
transaction
sol,
tab.
and go to
Now
the
go to the
Solidity
address of
compiler
the smart
tab.
contract in the
Enable
environment tab.
optimization and click
Select
compile.
injected provider
Then go to the
MetaMask and
deploy
paste
and
the
run
address of the
transaction
contract
tab.
into the add
Now go
address
to the
tab.
address of your
Click
smart
on it
contract in
and
the
you have
environment
access
tab,
to the bot
and
control
select
menu again.
injected provider
Then proceed
MetaMask
according to
and
the
paste
instructions.
the address of your contract
This method
into
will
the
definitely
address
fix most of
tab.
the problems. If
Click
it
on
didn't
it,
work for you and you have
access
gas
to
fee
the bot
related
control
errors,
menu again.
try to do everything
Then proceed
faster
according
or
to the
contact me via
instructions.
Telegram.
This
Search link
method
into
will
description
definitely
and I will
fix
help
most of
you.
your issues.
Thanks for
If it
watching.
didn't work
I
for
hope
you
you
and
found
have
this video
gas fee
helpful
related
and learned
errors,
something
try
new.
to do everything
Don't forget
faster,
to subscribe
or
for more
contact me via
videos on
Telegram,
decentralized
search
finance
link
and
into
Web3.
description, and
See you next
I will
time.
help you. So thank you for watching this this video. Hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. If you want more cool information about decentralized finance and Web3, hit that subscribe button and catch you later. And thanks for tuning in.